Hello student, today let's learn about triangle. Okay, so in this chapter number 20, we will discuss about triangles, type of triangles, classification on the basis of sides and angles, what is linear and collinear point, etc. Okay, let's start. Okay, so a triangle is a simple closed geometrical figure bounded by three line segments. Okay, it's a type of a polygon which has three sides and two sides are joined end to end and it form a vertex. Okay, and the angle is formed between the two sides. What are the shape of the triangle? Triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape. It is three-sided polygon. All sides are made up of straight lines. The point where two straight lines join is called vertex. Hence, the triangle has three vertex. Each vertex form an angle. Okay? Now, just look at this figure. It is a three-sided polygon with sides. Okay? Let's see what sides are. Sides, it's called line segment. How many line segments this triangle have? It has three line segments. One is XY. If you give the name of all three vertex XYZ, then it is XY, YZ and the line segment XZ. It has three vertices XYZ and it has three angles as well. Angle X, angle Y and angle Z. So what is the name of the triangle? It's named as triangle XYZ, or you can say YZX, or you can say ZXY. Okay? Now the classification of triangles according to the side. Okay? This is the first way to classify the triangle and give their types on the basis of sides. Before know what the type of triangles are, first you understand what is linear and collinear point. Okay, let me explain it to you. If all the points are present in straight line, if all the points are present, it is known as linear points. And if the points are present randomly, not in the straight path or a straight line, then this type of points are known as collinear points. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move forward. According to the length of their sides, triangle can be classified into three types, and which are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Okay, let's understand one by one. What is scalene triangle? A scalene triangle has all the sides are of different length. Okay, no side will be equal in length to any of other side in such a triangle. In scalene triangle, all the angles are also of the different types or of different measures. Okay, so the next is isosceles triangle. In this triangle, the length of two sides are equal. The angle opposite to the equal side are equal to each other. In other words, you can say isosceles triangles has two equal sides and two equal angles. This is the very important thing you all must remember, that in scalene triangle all the sides are of different length and all the angles are of different measures. In isosceles triangle, two sides and two angles are of equal length or equal angle respectively. Now the third one is equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the lengths of the sides are equal. Okay, in such a case, each of the interior angles will have a measure of 60 degrees. Since the angles of an equilateral triangle are same, it is also known as equiangular triangle. So the thing you have to remember, in equilateral triangle, all the three sides and all the three sides are same, and the measure of the angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Now the next thing is classification of triangles according to angles, or you can say you have to classify the triangle on the basis of the types of angles. According to this basis, we have three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. So in acute angle triangle, you can say in acute angle triangle you have all the angle less than 90 degree. Okay, all the angle must be less than 90 degree. In right angle triangle, one of the angle is equal to 90 degree or right angle. You can easily identify a acute angle triangle or right angle triangle by just seeing or measuring their angles. If all three angles are less than 90, it means it is a acute angle triangle, and if one of the angle is 90 degree or right angle, then it is known as right angle triangle. The third one is obtuse angle triangle. In this, one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, when you see the triangle or when you measure the angles of the triangle, you will find out that if one of the angle is more than 90 degree, it means it is a obtuse angle triangle. Okay student, let's move forward. Now this is the chapter. Understand the concept, okay, learn the definitions and try to solve the question which is given in your book. The first question is learn definition of all types of triangles. You have 6 types. Learn the definition of all types of triangle. Find each of the two equal angle of an isosceles triangle if the third angle is given 80 degree. Okay students, so you must know that the sum of all three angle of triangle is 180 degree. So if one of the angle is given, you can easily find out the two equal angles. How many acute angles can a triangle have? Okay, so find answer of this question, write down somewhere or you can show me. Okay, thank you student.